What up, guys? So I apologize for not giving you guys a weekly analysis here, but we are gonna go right back into it. Gonna be going to the daily charts here for you guys. So, as you guys can see, based on the weekly swing signals, looking for the U.S. dollar to keep going up. It's still going up. So, and this is still it's all gonna be on the daily chart here, but you guys can clearly see how much more this thing has gone out. Looking for 106 for sure. Just to tap back into the weekly chart here for you guys here. So looking for US dollar to keep going uh until it's running out of steam. Every time I see it running out of steam on the weekly, it is still going. How many bullish candles have this been on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this would be the 11th candle if it closes as a bullish candle. The green candles. Top two indices here. Looking to sell indices. Massive sell off for them on Friday. Let's see here. Selling gold back down. But this is based on the weekly swing signals. And I'm going to hop back into UJ to break 151 for sure. This pair has not given up its gains. It is still trying to make a move back up here. So we'll see what happens from here. Euro, looking for Euro to break the 106 price back down to 105 for sure. Has not gone back up to retest the high, which is the 112. So Euro British pound is starting to come back down, but I do expect this pair to go back up in spite of the pound going back down here already, breaking the first support. The next support would be 119 on the weekly. So I do expect, a big fallout for the pound and the euro for this for the remainder of the year. So the fact that it's been going down, I don't expect the pound to come back to 130. So what's the highest? 131. So it has not come back up to retest 131 of the highest of the price of this year. U-Swiss to break 92 and then 93. This pair, USD CAD has been on a toss up at this point. Overall, it is trying, it cannot break 137, and it's back down to 134. So hence the reason why I plan on selling this pair, because I don't. It's been up and down so much in this stage here, and I don't expect too much out of this pair. I would expect it for it just to try to maintain its price around here for the time being until it comes back down to 131. 131 is when it picked itself back up. Australia and New Zealand are in a really tight zone, especially for the Australian dollar. So I don't expect too much for these two pairs at all to do anything. So I just don't foresee them doing a whole lot based on the weekly swing. It's just probably going to end up consolidating quite a bit. These two pairs are probably not the best pair to even do a weekly swing, but it is your call. I still do weekly swings on my other account. So just nothing too crazy, just pennies, just micro lots. Let's see here. So back on the daily, DXY is still uptrending. US 30, S&P, and NAS 100 are trying to retrace back up for the remainder of the day, and then trying to probably retrace back up tomorrow. I expect, so gold's coming back down a lot already. So gold's heavily going down. We are coming near at the end of New York sessions, so we'll get caught up here. Well, basically New York is already ended, but I'm just trying to run through here. UJ to keep going back up. Euro is going back down. I would expect this move to go back down. For the intradays, I believe I have it all switched back out for retracement. Selling euro, British pound here, back down. And then looking for the pound to make a move back up as a retracement. And that's all I wouldn't expect too much of a retracement. Maybe if it might hit 123 during London, but I don't expect too much of a retracement. So expect U-Swiss to come back down as a just a small retracement going back down there. I'm also expecting UK to come down. Buying Australia, New Zealand on the intraday signals for today that I sent out. But it's just such a tight zone. Just isn't a whole lot with these two pairs. These by far are probably the two worst pairs to even trade this week. So I don't trade cross pairs, so I don't talk too much about it unless you guys really want me to analyze that. But other than that, let's see, oil is starting to come back down a little bit, and not a whole lot though. But other than that, I expect a strong bullish move for the US dollar index for the remainder of the week here to finish off strong for September. And then we come into October. So October starts the fourth quarter, and we will see what's going to happen in the remainder of the last 3 months of this year. Other than that, any questions, concerns, comments? Let me know in the chat group. Peace out till next week. Just kidding. Just hit me out in the chat group. What up, guys? So I did not get a chance to do a video for you guys here. So let's go ahead and talk about what we're doing for crypto. So, first of all, on the weekly, this is all on a daily, but all the signals were being on a sell. So now crypto is starting to come back up here for Monday evening, here in Central Time here for me. So looking at another set of consolidation for, I don't expect any crazy movements. I don't expect any crazy volatility or any high volatility or high volume for this week. We are going to be finishing off September here. And so this is the last week of September. And then we come into October next week. So I don't expect too much. Like I said, during the winter time, cryptocurrency goes really, really slow, really low volume, not a whole lot of market moves. So for Bitcoin right now, it's sitting at 26,000. Like I said, yesterday was just selling it. The fact that it kept dropping back down, close to closing in at 26,000. It's at 26,300 right now. And I'd still be looking at, it's just a small retracement, so I would still be looking at to just keep selling all the cryptocurrencies for the remainder of today until tomorrow and see what's going to happen. The same thing with Ethereum, sitting right under 1,600 at 1,590. I'm just looking for a move back down to 1,550 and then break that back down to go back to 1,500. And so, but other than that, there's just a lot of consolidation, tight zone structures, not a whole lot of movement on the major cryptocurrencies. Shiba's down, Litecoin, let's see, Litecoin's at 64. I'm looking for the solid back down at 60. Shiba back down, looking for Shiba to break support here. Dogecoin's trying to make a move, retracement back up. We'll probably move this down here. Ripple sitting at 50 cents. I don't expect too much of a move at this point for this pair at all. NEO coming back down, looking for NEO come back to $7 and it breaks $7 back to $6.55. Dash is trying to hold on resistance here at 20, almost at 27. So I still don't expect a whole lot for a Dash at this point either. Solana's going back down under 20. It's at 1949 right now. I'd be looking for a move back to 19. Zcash hovering around $26 in value here. I'd be looking to sell it back down 20, break 26, and then break 26 back down to 25. And then Tezos, looking for Tezos to break back down, break support here at 63. and then the next move would be breaking it back down to 60. And so that's all I got for the cryptocurrency analysis. I know they're trying to retrace it right now, but I'm still holding on to the selling, and I expect another selling, another leg, another downtrend going back down for cryptocurrency, unless something drastically changes the move for them to go back up again, and then we'll switch it back up. Other than that, I don't have a whole lot because there just isn't too much volume, and the liquidity isn't really there. So other than that, we will see what happens tonight and then tomorrow morning. Any questions? Let me know. Peace.